Hello everyone, good morning here from Spain. Today is January 16, 2026 and it's raining today. 8:30 in the morning. I just woke up. Look at my view. Oh, you see? Windy foggy over there, you see? And it's raining. It's like color orange everywhere, no? And on a foggy.
So we cannot go anywhere in this weather. Let's just bake chocolate chips cookies instead.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Donna Traveling Cusinera. My name is Donna. I'm a Filipina living here in Malaga, Spain. So today I'm gonna prepare a chocolate chips cookies. It's my husband's favorite, you know. So first I'm gonna start. Let's start cooking. So I'm gonna start with 1 cup of mantequilla or butter. In the original ingredients, it has 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. But because we use less sugar, I'm gonna use only the brown sugar, less sugar, these cookies. That's the good thing when you're making your own, you can adjust it to your taste. Okay? So here now, so at this point, I'm gonna turn it off and then scrape the sides. I scrape the sides. And beat it again. And then I'm gonna add one egg, another one, 2 eggs. I'll show you. So while waiting for that, I have here the flour and baking powder, baking soda, and the salt. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna mix it. Vanilla, vanilla. Two teaspoons vanilla. Okay, let's scrape again the sides. In the side once in a while. And beat more. Now I'm gonna add the flour. Okay, show you. I'm gonna add the flour. And first I'm gonna mix it with my spatula so it will not go anywhere, the flour. I'm gonna run it quickly on a low speed. Just until well blended. And then, I'm gonna add the chopped chocolate bar. And then, beat for another second. Just like that. Just until blended. And I'm gonna put this in a fridge to set up so it's easy to mold into bowls. Okay, see you soon. So you see, it's like it's not sticky anymore. So I can form it into a ball like this. Then I'm gonna put the in here. See? I'll show you after I form this into a ball. Huh? Okay? So, it's too big. Should be individual size. Okay? Show you something like this. So, I'll return to you when I finish all of this mixture. So, you have to put this on a tray with spaces in between. So, I'm gonna press this a little bit. That's it. I'm gonna bake this in 190 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes or just until I saw the brown uh, on the sides of each cookie. Bake it. Look. So you see the sides are brown already. That's enough. Okay. You see that? And now I'm gonna this one next. This is not hot pala. Okay. The next batch. You see the difference? The tray, so it will cool down fast. So I carefully see the underneath. It's perfect like that. So when you see the brown sides, that's enough. It's about 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, and put on a tray so it cool down quickly. So this is the last batch. Hope you try this and tell me if it is so right. Okay, please don't forget to like my video, or if you don't like, it's fine. And if you are new here, subscribe and click the notification bell as well to notify you if I have a new video. And don't forget to watch my other video. Not only cooking, I also go somewhere in other places that may you interested. Thanks for watching. This is my chocolate chips cookies. Hasta luego. It's getting clearer after the rain.
Time check is 12:30.
It's wet but sunny now. Look at the pool. How much is the water? Nice. Oh, look at my guard. Wow, sunny. Ah. Hola. Mira, the the weather is bit chilly. I'm here outside my garden, so I'm having tea, ginger tea, and with the cookies. Look how many my husband eats. Plenty. He eat a lot already. So let's try. Perfect for this winter. My snack. Okay. Mm. Mushy. If you want the recipe of my chocolate chips cookie, please comment and I will send it to you. Mm. Mm. Frio, frio. Hasta luego. Ciao.